Hi, Trevor Hammond here with Sierra Pacific Mortgage. This is a quick video tutorial on how I, the author of Mortgages, Money, and Life, recommend you read my book. This is a culmination of 20 years of my own learning, implementation, falling on my face, getting back up, practicing something else, reading a ton of books as you can see behind me. I am a constant student of these three topics: how to have the best life possible, how to really understand my money to a certain point to get me where I want to go financially, and then how to use my real estate, my house, my mortgage, how I borrow and repay as a financial tool, a financial instrument for all that other stuff to work. So that's what this book is. How to read it is I've broken it up into three sections. 52 lessons, so a third of them are on life, how to have a bigger, better future for yourself and your family. Then a third of it on money, okay, how to handle your budget, how to save more money, okay, how to map out financial goals for you and your family. And then the third part of it is around mortgages, and really we dive a little bit deeper on how to utilize your house as a wealth creation tool, how to borrow and repay money properly so that all those other goals happen easier or faster. So just a very quick video to share, one, how excited I am to be getting this book out into your hands, but secondly, how to read this book. It is not a start at the beginning and read all the way through, because that's so hard for most of us with busy lives. This is designed to take about 5 to 10 minutes a week, read one lesson a week, and just think about it. Let it marinate a little bit and think about how you might implement that into your life. So, hope this helps. I wish you all the best. Thank you for investing in yourself with my book. Bye-bye.